Good afternoon, Mr. Tay. Today my team and I consist of 5 of us, which are Azri Shah, Tai Kim Hong, Katharina, Ingyi Nexian, Se Kan Ne. Today we will be presenting about our new device, a smart lift. The overview of this project is that buildings are developing rapidly. Therefore elevators are used widely in buildings, such as shopping malls. This new device that we have created is convenient and efficient for users. The aim of this smart lift is to decrease the use of touching the buttons and waiting for a long period of time for the lift.
The 3 main issues that a normal lift faces is that it can increase the risk of spreading infections. People can get infected by pressing the buttons in the lift, as many other people also press it which whom they may be carrying any infections such as COVID-19, flu or cough, and this can spread. Besides that, people who use wheelchair may face challenges when pressing the button themselves if they need to go to higher floor. Elevators should be accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Besides that, people with visual and hearing impairment also have difficulties in determining which floor they want to go on or exit from. Therefore, this elevators that we have designed will be efficient and convenient for everyone.
How we would like to transfer the existing lift is by changing it to a smart lift. This can bring several benefits and improvements. Smart lifts are equipped with advanced technology and features. Here are some key benefits of smart lift. The first benefit is smart lifts are incorporated with intuitive touch screens. These interfaces provide users with helpful information, entertainment options, and even access to building amenities or services. This will make people clarify on which floor they would like to go. The second benefit is having an interactive display to interact and say on which floor they would like to go. These bacteria will not spread easily, since COVID-19 bacteria are spreading. Thus, this will not spread the sickness to anyone, and this will be a healthier option for everyone. The third benefit is having a smart lift upgrade in software can be easily done by over-air. By doing this, people do not need to stop lifts to do any maintenance. Not only that, any problems with the lifts are easily indicated by the lifts by telling the specific problem.
The devices that we have applied for this project use of voice assistant technology, such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, would normally be integrated into the lift control system when it comes to the voice-activated control system for smart lifts. This would need equipping the lift with microphones and speakers and programming the lift to recognize and carry out speech orders. Simple voice commands like open the doors or take me to the 5th floor might then be used by users to operate the elevator. This would improve the lift's usability and accessibility, especially for those with mobility problems or disabilities. Utilizing top-notch microphones and speakers is crucial for making sure the voice control system is dependable and secure. The system should also be rigorously tested to make sure it responds to voice orders correctly. In general, adding a voice-activated control system to a smart lift system can improve its usability and accessibility for users. Besides that, several tools are used, such as Internet of Things, IoT, devices, modems or routers, and communication protocols, to enable this connection. The smart lift system's ability to transmit data is greatly aided by IoT devices. These tools enable the lift to establish connectivity with other smart devices or cloud platforms by connecting to a network, such as a local area network, LAN, or the Internet, for data interchange between the lift and external systems to run smoothly and securely. Communication protocols are essential. Communication protocols make it easier for the lift control system and other connected devices or services to share information in the context of a smart lift.
The network that this smart lift is cellular connectivity. Cellular connectivity makes it easier as well when it comes to places whereby the Wi-Fi connectivity is unavailable. Cellular connectivity, which includes 4G or 5G, can be used for connectivity purposes when the Wi-Fi connection is down as well. This enables the operators to have a much quicker alternative to making sure the lift is still in operation rather than shutting down the system. Besides that, cellular connectivity enables real-time updates when it comes to running the diagnostics of the lift or when any issue arises in terms of the functionality of the lift. Operators can dispatch data to the lift seamlessly, which in exchange enables maintenance work on the lift to be much faster and more efficient. Furthermore, with the usage of cellular connectivity in the smart lift, users can still be able to use their phones even when inside the lift. This makes it effective when they are in an emergency especially. The other network is by using NFC that is called as near-field communication. Implementation of NFC can be used in the smart lift, especially when it comes to using this system in office buildings or malls. With the incorporation of NFC, it had short-range wireless connectivity that enabled a user to connect with another device without needing the use of touching it. Implementing this into the smart lifts makes the usage more effective and efficient. NFC uses algorithms which helps a user to scan their phones or any devices with the scanner that is provided in each lift. This analyses and identifies the needs of an individual. Besides that, users who have registered themselves can simply approach the lift and scan their phones, and the system used by the lift will automatically detect them and grant them the access to their desired floor. This in turn makes it easier, as the user does not have to scan their access cards and then press their desired floor of the building. Furthermore, with the usage of NFC, it can make a personalized experience for the users. For example, users of the lift can personalize the settings of the lifts for themselves, which then the lift will recognize their devices.
The application that can be used is Smart Lift Operator. People can download the Smart Lift Operator on a smartphone, and it can typically use a mobile app or a building control panel to select their desired floor and request a lift. Doing this while walking towards the lift can potentially save time by ensuring the lift is ready for you when you arrive. If there are other people waiting for the lift, it's best to adhere to a first-come, first-served approach to ensure fairness and efficiency. So, we can book the lift and it will show how many are waiting now. Sometimes, we have people who use wheelchairs who will not be able to press the floor numbers if they are too high. So, they can use the Smart Lift Operator app to book which floor they want to go to, and there is no need to touch the button. At the same time, they will not transfer bacteria by touching the button in the lift. Next, the Smart Lift Operator app also will show users predictive maintenance to let them know diagnosing problems is settled, so we can use the lift as usual. Besides, we can use the phone to secure entry and restrict unauthorized access. For example, we can use Smart Lift Operator apps to look at CCTV. We can confirm the user information has been recorded via biometric identification, keycard system, or mobile-based app to lower the risk of crime. If a new user or viewer first uses the Smart Lift, the Smart Lift Operator can suggest where the class is or the place they can view it. So, they have easy access if they don't know which floor. People can ask the lift to clarify. And also, the user information that has been recorded can detect the user information when we book the lift before using it. Thus, they can be more convenient to use the Smart Lift.
These are the example pictures that we got for the design that we have designed. Thank you, and hope this presentation shared some insights for this project.